Henry McClure live down here at 520, right across from Amtrak, living on the east side, baby. Ooh, I've been drinking that turmeric water that I drink in the morning instead of coffee. It's got a little MCT oil, it's got a little olive oil, it's got some of the stuff right now. I'm doing a Parasite cleanse, little black pepper, because black pepper helps carry the turmeric across the cells. Excuse me. But hey, what are you doing today? I will be covering the weather in today's segments. It's cold out. So it's so cold, you better rush to the grocery store. I heard people, this is really good for the food sales. Mother Nature is fixing the economy, baby. All right, a lot of birthdays today I saw. Tim Laurent. Now, Tim is a hard worker at Shawnee County. Head of parks, good dude. Man, he puts in the extra effort, and I like his delivery. I was looking forward to being a county commissioner and retiring Kevin Cook, because Kevin needs to go away. But Kevin the other day looked really good in his mask. Poor guy. Hey, Kevin, if you're watching, get better, man. I wouldn't wish sickness on anybody. Those are bad prayers. Oh, man. And Kathy Duncan. Kathy, it's happy birthday. I love Kathy. Do you know that Kathy and I actually used to teach we were like youth group people at St. David's when I was a kid. No, when Bianca was a kid. I've always endeavored to retain the spirit of youth. Yes, I think that is something I took seriously. I want to try to figure out how to engage my viewers, and I'd like to give away a lunch with me over at the old Perupski's, the chili parlor. Yes. I guess Fridays are tamale days, and you got to get there early, though. What else? Man, it doesn't even look like we're going to have an inch accumulation if it does snow. What else do I want to say? Oh, man, to my Mace Rich guys, Mace Rich boys, girls, fellas, ladies. Della's the only one I know for sure that's a Topeka girl. And then we got Hawkeye. We got the Podge. We got Jaeger. And who else we got? Jeff Probasco. Jeff's dad was a really cool dude. Jeff's a cool dude. Let's see, who else? Who else we got from Jim Swenson? We had a bunch of Topeka people. Dana knew we wouldn't mind leaving Topeka. Sent me to Winter Park, Florida in January. Hell, it was about this time. It was. It was about this time that I started with Mace Rich. I'd have to look back. I think I got hired on January 3rd. Went down to Florida. Charles Waldron taught me everything he knew about the mall business in 2 weeks. Ran into Kerry Webb down there. He asked me who I was related to. Kerry O. I'm flying one day with Kerry O. And he missed a handoff on the radio, switching channels. I started smoking that day. I go, hey, do you got any of those cigarettes? I figured, well, if I'm going to die, I'm going to go down with nicotine. But, hey, look at this. Bianca and I did that. This is Dr. Gundry's good list. Well, I got some stuff to do today. I'm live.